Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on Samsung battery protection. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up settings, scroll down until you come to battery, so you want to click on that. And then in the middle you should see battery protection. So this just means adjust charging behavior to extend the lifespan of your battery. So you can just click on there. Then at the top it gives you the option just to turn it on. Then underneath that I'll just let you know keeping your battery at a full 100% charge for a long time can reduce its lifespan. Choose an option below to protect your battery and make it last longer. So I'll give you three options below. So you can either select basic, which just means when your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%, and then charging will start again. You can change it to adaptive, and I'll just let you know underneath once you select that. Sleep time is estimated based on your phone usage patterns. It can take some time to make an accurate estimation. If irregular sleep patterns make it difficult to predict your wake-up time, basic protection may be used temporarily. So if you're okay with that, just select OK. Then you can also choose maximum. So this just means your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. So that's how you can turn on Samsung battery protection. Thanks for watching.